Okay, so here's the problem. You've created an awesome app ready to deploy to the cloud, but you need an environment that's scalable without losing control of your budget. How big should your server be? 1 gigabyte? 2 gigabytes? 16 gigabytes? What if you're wrong? It's expensive to pay for resources you don't need. But then it's also expensive if resource shortages cause downtime. Jelastic scales for you automatically. You don't need to guess how big the server should be. And with Jelastic, you only pay for resources you actually use. You don't waste money paying for unnecessary resources. Sure, some other virtual servers let you resize, but you have to log in and do that manually. Who has time for that? You don't want to be interrupted at all hours of the day or night just because your server ran out of resources, and you pay based on resources allocated, even if you don't use them. What a waste! With Jelastic, you can have your environment up and running in seconds, and simply set the resource scaling limit according to your budget. And if your resource usage is lower, you automatically pay less. No surprise bills, no need to guess anything in advance. Jelastic only charges you for your usage. Jelastic can save you even more money. Here's how. Once your app is deployed, you can view real-time resource graphs right in the dashboard. When you know your typical resource needs, you can set a minimum resource level and get a substantial discount. You still benefit from automatic scaling above that, up to whatever maximum scaling limit you decide. And as your application gains popularity and its resource usage increases, Jelastic automatically applies an extra volume discount to keep your costs down. Want to pay a fixed price? No problem. Just set the maximum and minimum limits to the same value to disable automatic scaling. You can start and stop your environments at any time. Whenever you stop an environment, you only pay for disk storage, nothing else, making Jelastic the perfect home for your development projects and client demos too. Stop paying for resource allocation. Move your application to Jelastic and only pay for resource usage.